In order to upload the code to a new repository, we have to install this extension, GitHub pull requests and issues. Okay, and in addition to that, we have to create a new repository in our GitHub. For example, this is my GitHub. I go to the main profile, repositories. I click on new, and then I choose a name for it. For example, Angular, Firebase, PyChart. I can add description, etc. And then I create it. Okay. Then I should copy this link using this icon. I'm clicking on it. Then I go to vscode. I go here to this icon, remote, add remote. I paste it the link that I just copied. I add a name for it. For example, for Firebase Angular PyChart. Okay, now it's added successfully. If I want to push the code, this code the of my project to it, I just first want to show its content. It's empty now, but yeah, I'll go here to the main directory, and now if I want to push the work to it, I just use remote set URL, then origin, and I passed the link of the new created repository. Then I type, I enter. Then I simply use git push. Wait a little bit. Okay, now the code will be added successfully to our new repository. As you can see here, the code is added successfully to the new repository.